Today we're making watermelon tahini popcorn. That is so good. This is a really popular flavor I've seen all over social media and all different videos where folks are sprinkling tahini on watermelon. We're gonna do a little twist on that, and we're gonna use this tahini. We're also gonna be using watermelon Flossine. This is a gold medal product. This is used to make cotton candy. This is a concentrate. So we're gonna be using our kettle corn popper right here. And we're gonna be popping 3 cups of kernels, 1.5 cups of corn oil. And then we're going to mix this watermelon Flossine with 1.5 cups of sugar. So we're taking 1 tablespoon of this, we're gonna add it to our sugar. We're gonna pop this just like kettle corn. And after it finishes popping, that's when we're gonna sprinkle on our tahini. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. We have to let this come up to temperature. Once it starts to pop just a little bit, that's when we're gonna add in our 1.5 cups of sugar that we've already blended with 1 tablespoon of watermelon Flossine. Just a reminder, down in the description are links to all the products we're using here today. Also, if you wanna get the Popcorn Genius recipe book for absolutely free, there's a link down in the description. Check that out, click that link, download your free copy today. Here we have our sugar, 1.5 cups of sugar that we mixed in with 1 tablespoon of watermelon Flossine. You can see this, it's very faint, but when you see this pop up, it's gonna totally change color. You're gonna see it's gonna be this beautiful bright red. All right, we're starting to pop, so let's add in our mixture. All right, we have that mixed in there. You can already see the color is getting brighter. All right, we're starting to pop again. You can see that bright red now. All right, popping up, just about done. Let's give it a dump. How bright red that is. It's awesome. All right, here we have, this is our bin sifter here. So you can get this right on our website. But what this is gonna do is it's gonna take all those unpopped kernels, it's gonna sift those all out of here. So we're left with just nice popped popcorn. All right, we're gonna take a little bit of sea salt, just a little bit on this because it is watermelon. The salt will make that flavor pop out a little bit. I'm gonna give this a try without the tahini first. Let's take a quick look at it. Oh yeah, see all those bright reds. Let's try a little piece. Oh yeah, nice can of coating on that, really great. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop this popcorn out and we're gonna put it in this food safe bag. We're gonna be sprinkling tahini on this. By putting it in this bag, we can add the tahini and it'll stay all isolated in here. We're gonna add in the tahini. We want quite a bit in here because this is a lot of popcorn. All right, now close this up, give it a shake. Now you want to do this when the popcorn is still hot and the coating is still not quite set up. So this way all that tahini will stick to it. All right, let's give it a look. You can definitely smell the tahini now. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's give it a try. A couple pieces. I can see the tahini on there. Oh yeah, okay. It makes that flavor just explode out of there. Wow, I really like this. Adds a little level of saltiness to it. It just makes the whole flavor of the watermelon just come alive. It's amazing. Let's give it a couple more pieces a try. That is so good. I can see why people put tahini on watermelon. Oh, it makes it like almost like a little bit citrusy. I'm not sure how to explain that, but really, really good. So remember, you can make great flavors just like this. You just got to get out there and get popping.